Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to see the activity of your sheet in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm currently signed in my freshly created brand new account, which I've created on these videos. I'm currently in the Google Sheets application. Let's choose a sheet which we want to examine. I'm gonna choose this one with a no title. You can choose your own, of course. We are going to click on these three dots right next to it or at the right side of it. Click on these three dots. Here you will have to scroll all the way down until you find the thing called details and activity. Click on those, and here you have to scroll down again until you find this thing at the bottom called activity, and here you can see who edited, created, renamed, and customized your sheets. This is only just me, but if you are working on a sheet with a group together, it will be shown here. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.